Our today's topic is plotting a point in a plane if its coordinates are given. Suppose we have to plot this point A, B, C, D and E whose coordinates are given. The coordinate of point A is 2, 0. As we have discussed in our previous video that here the value of y is 0, so it will situated on x-axis and it is x-axis, and the point 2 is here on x-axis and this is point A, that is it is 2, 0. You should plot this point on graph paper and you can easily draw or locate that point if you are doing it on graph paper. Second point is B, that is minus 4, 3, and it will definitely come in second quadrant. It is first quadrant and it is second quadrant. Let us plot it. Minus 4 on x-axis we will go where the point minus 4 is situated, it is here, and then 3 unit upward direction, 1 unit, 2 unit and 3 unit. This point is minus 4, 3. Third is minus 5, minus 3. Both are negative, so it will come in third quadrant. Minus 5 unit on x-axis, it is here, and minus 3 unit in downward direction, it is here. And this point is C point, minus 5, minus 3. Similarly, come on point D, which is minus 5 and 4. Minus 5 unit x-axis and the value of y-axis is 4 unit, it is in upward direction. This point is point D, whose coordinate is minus 5, 4. Point E is 0, 3. On x-axis we will go 0 unit, it means it is origin 0, 0. And in upward direction 3 unit, this point is on y-axis 0, 3. As we have discussed, on ordinate all the point will be in the form of 0y, and on x-axis will be in the form of x0. In first quadrant all the point will be positive, value of x-axis and y-axis both. Suppose this point is 2, 2. Both are positive. What is coordinates of this point? This point will be 5 unit on x-axis, means 5, and 1 unit upward direction plus 1. It is in first quadrant and also the value of x and y axis are positive. Discuss here in fourth quadrant, let us take any point that is here. What will be the coordinates of this point? On x-axis it is 4 unit and on y-axis it is minus 2 unit. So the point will be in fourth quadrant and it is 4 minus 2. Let us take another example to plot this point. Here is value of x and here is value of y. It means we have to locate 0, 2. On x-axis value is 0, y-axis 2. This point is 0, 2. 3, 1. On x-axis 3 unit and on y-axis 1 unit. This point is 3, 1. 4 minus 2. On x-axis we will go from origin 4 unit and on y-axis we will go minus 2 unit from origin, and this corner of this rectangle is 4 minus 2. Next point is minus 3 minus 1. On x-axis value is minus 3, it is minus 3, and on y-axis we have to go 1 unit negative direction from origin, that is downward, and this is minus 3 minus 1. Minus 5, 0. On x-axis we have to go minus 5 unit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it is minus 5 unit from origin, and in negative direction we will come in left side minus 5 unit, and it is 0 because we have not go upward or downward. So this point will represent minus 5, 0. Today's homework is solve exercise 3.3. Solve chapter 6 of R.S. Agrawal, which is coordinate geometry. There is only one exercise in this chapter, and try to understand all the topics related to coordinate plane and coordinate system. That's all. Thank you.